Hi all! How is your mood? Are you ready for training? Today we will have a big practical lesson. Just a huge practical lesson. This means that you yourself have to actively work. It's great, right? Harry is with you, and today we will learn the names of vegetables. I will show you a vegetable and came up with a name for it. You need to repeat the name of the vegetable after me. Repeat the name of the vegetable several times to better remember it. Don't be lazy. Speak clearly and slowly. Every word has to be beautifully pronounced. Nothing will work without this. After each English word, I wrote several sentences with this word, so you can understand how to properly consume the word. If you don't understand what does this sentence mean, be sure to pause the video and translate the sentence into your native language. The more often you speak English, the better you will be in it. It's a simple rule, right? Now, let's get started. Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans and other animals as food. The original meaning is applied to plants collectively for all plants matters, including flowers, stems, leaves, roots. Vegetables play an important role in human nutrition. The nutritional content of vegetables varies considerably. Some contain useful amounts of protein, though generally they contain little fat and varying proportions of vitamins. Eggplant. 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 Eggplant possesses great nutrient contained in it. Discover many vegan delicacies with eggplant, chickpea, or tomato. 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 My 4 neighbors are all prosperous tomato farmers. Kearney called him Rabbit because of his rabbit-like nibbling of lettuce and tomato sandwiches. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. And we were able to grow cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, all kinds of stuff. Decorative appearance and taste qualities, The main arguments in favor of cherry tomatoes to eat fresh. Fennel. 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 The Greeks would use fennel during their ceremonies because it symbolized pleasure and prosperity. Some of the oils found in fennel do help stimulate the secretion of digestive juices. Strengthens the immune system and have a restorative effect of sandalwood oil, anise, fennel. Onion. 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 By consuming a large onion every day, carry much in your heart health. Saute onion until it becomes transparent. A small steamed bun that traditionally contained cheese, cabbage, and sometimes onion. Potato. 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 Most potato recipes are easy to prepare. The highest productivity was achieved by cultivating potato. People who have a potato allergy may also have a risk of allergies to other substances containing similar allergens to those in potato. Cabbage. Cabbage. He likes all vegetables except cabbage. Cooked cabbage dishes do not contain fats, like raw and cooked. Its essence is to cook special dietary soup with cabbage. Pumpkin. 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 The research also found that pumpkin excretes toxic substances. Many people enjoy making pumpkin soup, especially during winter. Had a funny smile like a Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed our delicious and healthy English lesson. What words did we learn in this lesson? Can you name in English all the vegetables that we have learned today? Be sure to watch this video a second time to write down new words in your personal dictionary. For each word, do not forget to write a few examples. About how to take notes and how to learn new words, I have a separate video located on my channel. Don't forget to support me with likes and comments. I try for you. Your homework is to make sentences with new words. Your model will be the sentences we have read today. Make 3 sentences with each new word. I wish you success in learning English. See you soon!